2003 Chevy Silverado. We're replacing our AC belt tensioner right down there, and this one's been wobbling, I've been noticing lately, and this should be the right pulley. So I've been noticing the belt's pretty worn, it's got cracks in it, and this has been bouncing a lot. It's causing a squealing noise at high RPMs. So we're going to swap that out, and I'll show you the finished result. Here's the diagram of the V-belts. The part number I got for this make sure this Duralast and the part number and everything matches up. It's a Duralast automatic belt tensioner. I think it's even under AC belt tensioner. And there's that. You're probably going to need a new belt to go with yours. And this part number for that is, this is what it looks like on the V6 model. Make sure it has the ribs, not a smooth side. If it has a smooth side pulley, it's probably for the V8 models. That's what it looks like. And it should be a direct fit. So I'm going to swap that out. Let's see if we can get it with a regular ratchet. If not, then I'll get my bigger one. I think I'm going to need the bigger one. Alright, I'll be back to get the other one. So we move this carefully.
Alright, you need to measure the old belt and then...
So they look like they're about the same size, so that's a check. So now you can move on to the next step, removing the tensioner. Got it. So here's the old one, the orientation, there's the bolt hole. So when you put this back on, you're gonna make sure this notch fits into that hole. There's a little hole right there. Make sure the bolt goes in, and you gotta line up that little notch into that, back in that hole so it's aligned. And then you wanna, it sends you a replacement bolt for this, and a washer. And make sure to swap those out as well. Looks like this one didn't even come with the washer to begin with. So it'll probably sit just like that underneath there. Okay guys, it's been a long time since I've done one of these, so it took me a minute to figure it out, but I got it. So here it is all together, guys. It's running pretty smooth right now, let's say. I think I have maybe a motor mount or transmission mount loose.